Top 10 Programming Languages to Learn in 2022. A list of top programming languages with their uses and the best available courses with details. It's nearing the end of 2021, but before we go on to 2022, I'd want to give you a few more learning suggestions. Today I will list the top 10 programming languages that you can learn in 2022. These languages are more demanding and most paying as of now. So let's get started with these. Number 1. Python. Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language that is interpreted. The use of considerable indentation in its design philosophy promotes code readability. Its language elements and object-oriented approach are aimed at assisting programmers in writing clear, logical code for both small and large-scale projects. Approximately used in Number 1. Web apps. Number 2. Machine learning. Number 3. Data science. Number 2. JavaScript. JavaScript, sometimes known as JS, is a computer language that follows the ECMAScript standard. JavaScript is a high-level programming language that is frequently compiled just in time and is multi-paradigm. It has first-class functions, dynamic typing, and prototype-based object orientation. Approximately used in Number 1. Web front-end. Number 2. Web back-end. Number 3. Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language with a high level of abstraction and as few implementation dependencies as feasible. Approximately used in From mobile phones to business servers and computing platforms, Java is utilized in the vast majority of applications. Currently, Java has used in around 3 billion mobile phones, 125 million television sets, and every Blu-ray player. Java is used in some capacity by every major corporation. Number 4. Swift. Swift is a compiled programming language created by Apple Incorporated and the open source community for general purpose, multi-paradigm programming. Approximately used in No. 1. iOS apps. No. 2. Mac OS apps. No. 3. watchOS apps. No. 4. tvOS apps. No. 5. Linux apps. Number 5. Golang. Robert Griesemer, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson created Go, a statically typed, compiled programming language at Google. Go is similar to C in syntax but adds memory safety, garbage collection, structural typing, and concurrency in the SPI style. Approximately used in Number 1. Distributed network services. Number 2. Cloud native development. Number 3. Replacements for existing infrastructure. Number 4. Utilities and standalone tools. Number 5. News outlets. Number 6. Media platforms. Number 6. C. C# is a multi-paradigm, general-purpose programming language. Static typing, strong typing, lexically scoped, imperative, declarative, functional, generic, object-oriented, and component-oriented programming disciplines are all covered by the C# programming language. Approximately used in Number 1. Corporate applications. Number 2. GAMS. Number 3. Online apps. Number 4. Mobile/tablet apps. Number 7. C++, C++, or C with classes, is a general-purpose programming language established by Jan Strostrup as an extension of the C computer language. Approximately used in Number 1. Augmented reality. Number 2. Virtual reality. Number 3. Many of these programs run on Unreal Engine, a gaming engine, which is written in C++. Number 8. Scala. Scala is a powerful statically typed general-purpose programming language that can be used to write both object-oriented and functional code. Many of Scala's design decisions are intended to answer complaints about Java and are designed to be succinct. Approximately used in. At Corelate, we use Scala for everything server-side, including the creation and deployment of hundreds of microservices. These vary from large-scale stream listeners that analyze social media posts or web analytics events in real time, at a rate of over 1 billion per week, to occasionally occurring event triggers where we develop tiny serverless Scala apps that are triggered by AWS Lambdas. Number 9. Kotlin. Kotlin is a type-inferred, cross-platform, statically typed general-purpose programming language. Although Kotlin is meant to work seamlessly with Java, and the JVM version of the standard library relies on the Java class library, type inference allows for more succinct syntax. Approximately used in. Number 1. Server-side, client-side web. Number 2. Android development, second official language. Number 3. Support for more platforms, like embedded devices, Mac OS, and iOS, is on the way, thanks to Kotlin/native. Number 10. Ruby. Ruby is a high-level, interpreted programming language that supports a variety of programming paradigms. It was created with a focus on programming efficiency and ease of use. Everything, even primitive data types, is an object in Ruby. Approximately used in. Ruby is most commonly used to create web apps. However, because it is a general-purpose language like Python, it may be used for data analysis, prototyping, and proofs of concept. Rails Web, a Ruby-based development framework, is probably the most visible Ruby implementation.